Hello, kids. Today we will do the story The Jackal and the Drum. Let's read the story. There was a jackal called Gomaya. He lived in a forest. One day he was very hungry. He searched for food. After some time he came to a field. So यहाँ पे गोमाया जो एक जैकल था वो फॉरेस्ट में रहता था। वो बहुत हंग्री था एक दिन, तो वो अपने फूड की तलाश में फील्ड में गया। There was a drum near a tree in a corner of the field. A strong wind was blowing. When the wind blew, the branches of the tree hit the drum and it made a noise. तो क्या हुआ था? उसने देखा वहाँ पर एक कॉर्नर में एक ड्रम रखा हुआ है जो ट्री के पास था। ठीक है, बहुत ज़ोर से हवा चल रही थी, तो एक जो उसकी ब्रांच थी वो टकराई किससे? ड्रम से, और एक नॉइज आई। द जैकल हर्ड द नॉइज एंड ही वाज स्केयर्ड। ही वांटेड टू रन अवे। तो क्या हुआ? उसे जैसी नॉइज सुनी वो थोड़ा डर गया था और उसे सोचा कि वो भाग जाता है यहाँ से। Then he thought, I must be brave. He went towards the drum. He saw that the noise was because of the wind. And he was not scared now. So, तो उसने सोचा मैं तो ब्रेव हूँ, तो वो ड्रम के पास गया। उसे देखा ये जो नॉइज़ आई थी वो यहीं से ड्रम से आई थी। सो अब वो नहीं डर रहा था। He searched for food. He found some food near the tree and he was happy. So उसने फिर अपना फूड ढूंढा और वो बहुत खुश हुआ। So kids, this was the story. I hope आपको ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी, राइट? आइए अब इसके हम कुछ एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। Let's do the exercise. Okay, so exercise is you have to put the tick mark on the correct option. Okay, so there was a called Gomaya. Who was called Gomaya? So there's a blank called Gomaya. So who was called Gomaya? A. Dog, B. Tiger, C. Jackal, or D. Elephant. So the answer is yes. Jackal was called Gomaya. There was a jackal called Gomaya. Correct. Next is Gomaya was very hungry, tired, angry, or sleepy. Gomaya was very hungry. Yes. Next is there was a blank near a tree. There was a doll, drum, book, or a car. There was a drum near a tree. Very good. Next is then there is a blank, was hitting the drum. So answer will be jackal, wind, branch of the tree, or cat. The branch of the tree was hitting the drum. Yes, the correct answer is the branch of the tree. Next is the jackal was angry, sad, scared, or happy. Yes, the answer is the jackal was scared. Starting में तो वो बहुत डर गया था ना. The jackal was scared. Next is the jackal thought, I must be brave. I must run away. I must call someone. I must break the drum. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is the jackal thought, I must be brave. Okay, so next is, did the jackal find food? No, he didn't. Yes, he did. Yes, the answer is yes. The answer is yes, he did. Okay, so the next question is, okay, so next is match the words with their opposite. Already pata hai. Okay, so let's do it again. What is the opposite of near? The opposite of near is far. The opposite of near is far. What is next? Strong. Strong का opposite क्या होता है? What is the opposite of strong? Weak. Weak. Strong का opposite होता है weak. Next is brave. Brave का opposite क्या है? What is the opposite of brave? Scared. Scared. What is the opposite of brave? Scared. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. Okay. So यहाँ पर we have finished our chapter, the jackal and the drum. Okay. And in the next video, we will do the next chapter and its exercise. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.